So, hello, sir. Good day. I'm Vince Miko Caballes, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of elections and the internet age. So, as what the Group 6 discussed their discussion about on Module 6. So, in the digital era, elections have undergone a profound transformation with the advent of social media and the internet. So, these platforms have become shaping a important political discourse, mobilizing voters, and even swaying election outcomes. So, in social media and the internet, it's enabled to unprecedented political engagement, democratizing the process by allowing individuals to express opinions, organize campaigns, and let's say to hold leaders accountable. So, real-time communication and feedback foster a responsive, inclusive political landscape. So, prominent figures in modern day politics have adeptly utilized social media and technology to connect with constituents and amplify their message. Leaders like Duterte, Marcos have leveraged platforms to use Facebooks and other social media platforms to bypass traditional media channels, directly engaging with voters and disseminating their policies and narratives. So through live streams, interact Q&A sessions like that, and targeted advertising, these figures have harnessed the power of digital communication to mobilize support and shape public opinion. The internet and social media have greatly altered political campaigns and governance by reaching previously unreachable demographics, mobilizing grassroots efforts and fundraising globally. Despite these advantages, they present challenges like misinformation, echo chambers, and privacy concerns. So, and overall, the internet and social media have catalyzed a seismic shift in politics, empowering citizens, reshaping communication strategies, and defining the boundaries of political discourse. So, as we navigate this evolving landscape, it's important to harness the potential of these platforms responsibly, ensuring that they uphold democratic values and foster informed civic engagement. That would be all, sir. Thank you.